Howdy everyone, and today I'll show you how to do speed ramps using Premiere Pro. So first of all, what you're going to do is hold this one where your clip is and then drag it all the way up to make it big. And then after that, right click on this little FX icon, click on time remapping and select speed. Once you have done that, you can just select a time keyframe and then add one, and then drag it up to increase the speed. If you want to add more smoothness, just like professionals, you can just hold this one on the top and then drag it on the right side just like this, and then it's gonna be smooth. And then again, if you want to add more time effects, like you want to add slow motion, you can just drag it down to add slow. And then again, if you want to add first speed, then just drag it up. And that is how you do speed ramps using Premiere Pro. I hope you like it. If you did, give a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.